Hi guys, this is Ashok and this is the third video on SignalR. In the previous video I explained you how the proxy is created on fly on the client side. We have browsed a SignalR/hubs file and I have shown you how the functions to create a proxy. Now we are going in depth like the logic we are going. See, this order should be important. First we have to include the jQuery file and then first we have to include the jQuery file and then SignalR file and then SignalR/hubs. This file is not included in your project, but at runtime it will be included as I shown you that file in my previous video. Now coming to this $. Function, as if you have a knowledge on jQuery, it's like document. When the document loads, this function will be called like document.getReady. Here is the first, we are creating a variable called chart. This chart hub is nothing but $connection.chart hub. This chart hub is nothing but which we created a class file. I'll show you the class file. This is the class file which inherits from hub class. Coming to the default page, see the first line is getting the prompt for to get the username, like enter your name, there is a prompt, and this is the function so that server can invoke it. See, this is, oh sorry, see chat.client.send message. This is the function where server can invoke it. We'll check that server side function is nothing but what the class we created. See, this is the send message. Here just we are getting the name, message, whatever text you entered to the variables, like encoded name will get the name value, encoded message will get the message value, and the hash messages, $hash messages is nothing but it's an ID of div tag. So we are appending the name and the message to the div tag. Just we are concatenating to the div tag. I'll show you the div tag. This is the div tag. Sorry, it's a UL list. We are concatenating to this list. Okay. So this is the function where the connection started. This function will be invoked. We are binding that send button click event in this start function, like start.done. Start the connection at the time of start connection. We are binding this event. What is that event? Char.server.send whatever parameters. This is the method of this server side. Call the method on the server. This click function will call the method on the server side, which is nothing but which we created the chat_hub.cs file with send method. Whatever parameters you are giving here, it should match with this parameters. See this. display name and message value. And the same here also, function name message. This is the server will invoke the client function so that your message will be displayed. And this clients and will okay, from default.aspx I have explained you the code. Now I will explain you this chat-hub.cs file, like what this clients dot all dot send message. It will send whatever you are typing, like whoever opens the window of your application of your URL, like it will send message to every session, to the every client which is accessing your application. You can restrict by groups. By creating groups, you can send only messages to groups. This is the way you can send message to the group. And how to add people to this group, I will explain you in the next video. And here the clients dot all is nothing but we are sending message to everyone. But if you want to send to a specific group, you have to add them, add the users to group, and mention this logic like clients dot group whatever group name dot send message. In my next video I'll explain you the group, how to add users to group and send message. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.